Goa government wanted to give good animal husbandry practices, veterinary services, AI services and good quality of cattle feed to their farmers, so that, and good price of their milk, so that the living standards of Goa farmers also comes up. By creating this type of help to the farmers, farmers will create interest in farming, animal farming. They have given permission only in 4 talukas, and they have given us the challenge that you should develop good animal husbandry practices, good breeds. Even they have told that if our farmer needs animal, then from your milk shed area you can supply good quality of animals. We told that we will supply to the farmers if they need. So in this way, Goa government wanted to have good practice demonstration in some part of this district. So looking to this, that it will be a good healthy competition between cooperative structure operating here, private structure operating here. And when one farmer is getting good price, Goa Dairy will also have to give good price, and Goa Dairy will also have become quality conscious in their procurement. In this case, we have not done any comparison with Goa Dairy because we are from cooperative culture. We are not political person. In Gujarat, cooperative structure is totally away from the what we can say politics. That is why it is successful. Upliftment of Goa dairy farmers. In what way we can help, and in what way we can uplift their living standard and create a good, what we can say, employment in terms of animal farming to the rural part of the Goa. This is our motto. Thank you very much. We are here to give good quality milk to Goa consumers and good price to our farmers who will associate with us.